Hello guys, welcome to Quest Pathways, where we turn opportunities into achievements. Imagine waking up and seeing money in your account even though you weren't actively working. It sounds too good to be true. Exactly, but it's possible. Today I'm sharing 3 passive income methods that I personally use to make money online. And yes, I will even show you the real earnings to prove that this is achievable. Yes, it is achievable. First of all, let's clear out some common misconceptions. Passive income does not mean making money while doing absolutely nothing. You need to be engaged. Every passive income stream requires some upfront effort. Think about rental properties. The owner does not make money because they do nothing. They are engaged and they are putting time. They invest time, money, and efforts to build or buy the property. Once it is ready and tenants move in, the property continues generating income months after months and even years after years. Because why? They have done the background work of putting in time and investing their resources. Just like the rental properties, online passive income works the same way. You have to put in time, you have to invest some kind of resources, and those resources are basically your time. Create something valuable and then continue earning from it. I am going to list to you some common online passive income that you can get started in 2026. The first passive income stream is content creation. People actually overlook content creation, but I can tell you that content creation is one of the passive income that you can do and get money from it. I'm a living witness and I can tell you this for sure. When you create evergreen content, and what are the evergreen content? Content that remains useful for years. It can continue generating income as long after it has been published, because these are the kind of content that people are looking for years after year. People are searching the internet, people are searching Google, looking for solutions to their problems. For instance, a video about how to make money online, like I'm doing right now, or how to start a YouTube channel, can remain relevant for years, because these are some of the things that people are searching for every day. People continue searching for those topics, watching videos and generating revenues for the creator. That's why on my channel, every video that I upload, I consider it to be a digital asset. Once it is online, I can continue earning money months after months and years after years. The same thing applies to blog posts and articles. If you write helpful content that solves problems, people will continue finding it through search engine on the internet. The beauty of content creation is that your biggest investment is time. You need to invest time. The second passive income stream is creating and selling online courses. I understand that selling online courses have been in existence for years, but now people are finding it more valuable. People are now turning online for solutions more than ever before. Let's say, for instance, you have a skill and you want people to learn, whether it is graphic design, cooking, fitness, or anything else. You can package that knowledge into an online course. Creating an online course requires efforts from the beginning. It requires your time, because why? You have to plan the lesson, record the content like I'm doing now, and organizing everything in a way that helps your student to succeed, because you are doing it to answer or solve people's problems, so you want them to succeed. But once the course is complete and published online, it can continue generating sales for months and years. That is the power of passive income, doing the work once and getting paid multiple times. When creating an online course, focus on evergreen topics that people continue to search for year after year. Day by day, people are searching for those topics. Skills and knowledge that will remain valuable for years rather than short-term trends. The third passive income stream is affiliate marketing. We all have been hearing about affiliate marketing. We'll continue to hear it every day. Affiliate marketing is simple because why? You recommend products or services that you genuinely use and trust, not just anything, something that you trust and you use it as well. When someone buys through your unique referral link, you can also earn commission. The company wins and you also win. So it is a win-win game. You earn a certain percentage from the sale, and the company that you are selling for earn a percentage as well. Many creators earn passive income by placing affiliate links in video descriptions, blog posts, emails, and social media content. These are some of the many ways that people can earn money from affiliate marketing. People are much more likely to buy when they trust your recommendation. People know you, people trust you, people are loyal to you. So when you recommend something to them, they are likely to buy from you because of the trust. Affiliate marketing can be especially powerful when combined with content creation because your videos and articles continue promoting those products long after they are published. If you want financial freedom in this 2026, start building income streams that do not require you to trade every hour for money. Like you keep working every hour, you wake up very early in the morning. If you live to a place that there is heavy traffic, you are stressing yourself that you want to beat the traffic because you want to be there on time. Stop trading all of your time, all of energy for the money, for the hours. Whether it is content creation, online courses, affiliate marketing, each of these methods allow you to create something valuable once and continue earning from it over time. My advice is that start with one. Do not keep twisting and turning. Focus on one and keep learning from it. Focus on building it consistently. Learn what works, improve as you go, and then add additional income stream to it. Let me know in the comment which passive income stream you are most interested in to start this 2026. Quest pathways, turning opportunities into achievements. Thank you for watching. I love you all and I see you in my next video.